Let's talk about pregnancy outcomes and abnormalities in sperm. Recent scientific discoveries have highlighted the crucial role of sperm DNA quality in pregnancy outcomes, providing a detailed statistics that underscore the importance of male factors in miscarriage. And that's something which is quite important. Often, much of our focus on miscarriages is linked to women, and there's steady data coming in that the sperm may have a significant impact. Across a meta analysis involving 2,969 couples, researchers observed that elevated sperm DNA fragmentation more than double the miscarriage risk for couples where the male partner had significant DNA relative risk of 2.16 versus those with low levels. In clinical studies, as many as 85% of men and couples with recurrent pregnancy loss exhibited high DNA fragmentation compared to much lower rate in couples who carried a pregnancy to term. Laboratory assessments such as the tunnel assay were used to directly measure DNA fragmentation levels with thresholds about 30%, typically indicating high risk. Notably, the severity of DNA fragmentation correlated strongly with miscarriage rates. Some studies found that miscarriage rates could jump from under 15% in general population to over 35% when sperm DNA quality was poor. Furthermore, lifestyle factors played a marked role. Men who smoked or were overweight were statistically more likely to have sperm with elevated fragmentation, and such risk factors contributed to roughly a twofold increase in miscarriage rates. One cohort, 40% of recurrent miscarriages cases involved men with at least one lifestyle risk factor, which correlated to sperm DNA damage. The research also analyzed the limitations of the findings, although the association between high sperm DNA fragmentation and miscarriage is robust. Not all men with DNA damage reported pregnancy loss. Approximately 15% of those with high fragmentation still achieved a live birth, underscoring that other genetic, maternal, and environmental factors also contribute. And what is practical applications for clinics? Clinics increasingly now offer sperm DNA fragmentation testing to couples experiencing recurrent pregnancy loss, helping us to target interventions better. What is the recommendations? Quit smoking, lose weight, reduce toxin exposure. All can improve sperm DNA quality, potentially lowering miscarriage rates by 30%. Antioxidant treatments are under investigation, with early data suggesting a measurable improvement in DNA integrity and subsequent live birth rates. In summary, almost 1 in 5 pregnancies ending in a miscarriage globally may be linked to male factors, and this could reduce emotional and physical burden for families. Statistics show the significance. Over 85% of men in repeated loss couples have actionable sperm DNA issues, and though that may not be the only case, correcting it may help in achieving a live birth.